Hi, interpersonal communicators. My name is Michelle McNamara, and I'm going to be your professor for this interpersonal communications class held hybrid 1 day a week at Centerville High School. What that essentially means, if you haven't had a hybrid class before, is that every Monday afternoon from 12:15 to 1:45, we will meet at Centerville High School. And then the remainder of our discussions and our quiz and our work will be done in our online Canvas classroom. So if you're brand new to Glen Oaks or to college classes in general, make sure you check with your dual enrollment or early middle college advisor to make sure you have your Glen Oaks email address and access to Canvas, because that is quite literally 50% of the work that we're going to be doing in here. So make sure you have access to both of those. Glen Oaks made some adjustments to the fall schedule, and I am unable to be with you this very first week. So on Monday, I will not be at Centerville Schools, and you'll have to do that first week independently, which is not a big deal. You'll go over the syllabus, you'll make sure that you're familiar with the class, you'll kind of look around at the modules, and then you'll do the discussion and the quiz for Welcome Week, which really, you don't even need your textbooks for that yet. So if you haven't gotten those from your advisor, that's okay. Then next Monday, I will be at Centerville, and I'll be there to answer any questions that you have, and we'll start with Chapter 1 material. So you'll figure out very quickly that this class is broken down into chapters and into modules, and you can follow right along in our online Canvas class. So I'm sorry I can't be there with you this very first week, but know that next Monday I will see you at Centerville High School. If you have any questions between now and then, you can email me through Canvas, which is the preferred way to get a hold of me, so your email doesn't get lost in the hundreds that I'm getting this week. And let me know if you have any trouble. I'll see you next Monday.